If your Noritz tankless water heater isn't delivering hot water, the issue usually comes down to three main components. First is the flow sensor. This part detects water movement and tells the unit to ignite. If your flow rate drops below about zero point 0.5 gallons per minute, or the sensor is dirty or faulty, the heater won't activate. Second is the thermostat setting. Make sure it's set properly around 120 degrees Fahrenheit is standard for safe, efficient operation. If the temperature is set too low, or the thermostat isn't working correctly, you may only get lukewarm water. Third is the bypass valve. If it's stuck or malfunctioning, cold water can mix with heated water, causing inconsistent temperatures. Before calling for service, check the display for error codes and review your manual. Inspect the inlet filter for clogs and confirm adequate water flow. These simple steps solve many common issues. However, if you suspect a faulty flow sensor, bypass valve, gas supply issue, or electrical fault, contact a licensed technician. Working with gas or electrical components can be dangerous without proper training. Annual maintenance, including filter cleaning and system inspection, helps prevent most hot water problems and extends the life of your unit.